Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Thursday, the 16th of December, 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets, economics and the world of business today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 closed down 0.4% to 7,276 points today, with technology stocks leading the way up, while healthcare companies plummeted. The big fall today was in pharmaceutical group CSL. It successfully raised $6.3 billion to help fund its takeover of Viva Pharma at an 8% discount, and that's exactly how much its share price fell today. WiseTech Global jumped 7.5% today, Xero was up 2.3%, and Afterpay rose almost 2%. They were the best of the tech stocks. Away from that sector, the best performers of the large caps was Goodman Group. It rose 1.8%. The largest rise today, however, came from biopharmaceutical group Mesoblast. It was up more than 11%. That's one that jumps around all the time. The economy dominated markets today, starting with some pretty incredible jobs data. More than 335,000 new jobs were created last month, pushing the unemployment rate down to 4.6%. The result was much stronger than anyone expected and included a big jump in part-time and full-time jobs. Of course, the rise reflected the reopening of the economies in New South Wales, Victoria and Queensland. Also, the federal government updated its budget, saying that the economy this financial year would be slower than expected, but would accelerate next year. The blip reflects COVID and the latest outbreak of the Omicron variant. It came as a number of new COVID cases recorded in New South Wales rose to more than 1,700 today, while the number in Victoria was more than 1,600. Finally, Reserve Bank Governor Philip Lowe said the central bank's bond purchase program, which acts as a lid on interest rates, was most likely to end in May next year. Now, all of this followed the US Federal Reserve this morning saying it would end its bond buying program sooner than expected and penciled in 3 interest rate rises next year. Chair of the Fed, Jerome Powell, made it clear that inflation is now the number one enemy. Wall Street reacted immediately, buoyed by the Fed's upbeat view of the world's largest economy. The S&P 500 closed up 1.6%, while the Nasdaq closed more than 2% higher. In corporate news locally, Qantas said it would lose between $250 and $300 million in the 6 months to December. Its share price closed down just a touch. Nickel and copper miner IGO said it will purchase nickel producer Western Metals in an all-cash takeover worth around $1.1 billion. And the Australian Competition and Consumer Commission said it won't oppose Woodside's acquisition of BHP Petroleum, saying it had no competition concerns. The Aussie dollar is trading just above 71.6 US cents. That's it for the afternoon market report for Thursday, the 16th of December, 2021. Michael Thompson and I will be back tomorrow morning for the Friday edition of Fear and Greed. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.